Hi there folks, here we have the Vogel's Next 7346 wall mount for OLED screens, and this is a short tutorial to help you guide on how to fix this on the wall. So the easiest way first is to determine how high you want to hang it. Then especially how high it should be from the ground to the bottom of the television. What you do next is you put your television on its back, you mount this bracket on the back, or you just put it on the holes so you know where it should be, and then what you measure is how much clearance you have from the bottom of the TV until the bottom of this. In case of the LG 55C7, it's exactly 10 centimeters. Sorry for the Dutch swing here. So if you want your TV to hang at 60 centimeters from the bottom of the TV to the ground, what you do is you count 10 centimeters. You add 10 centimeters, so you get to 70. So you mark at 70 centimeters on the wall, in the middle of your wall, or the spot where you want to hang it. And then you get this poster template for drilling. What you do, make a little hole here and a little hole there. So this hole here is exactly where the bottom of this plate comes. So that's the 70 centimeters. When you put this there, you mark this spot on the wall. You don't need to use these because it's way easier to drill that one hole on your wall and then to mount the Vogel on your wall like this. I've just secured it with one bolt. What they advise you to do is drill first with a 5mm, about 2 centimeters in, and then 10 millimeters drill and then 8 centimeters into the wall. So when you bolt this one, you make sure it's exactly straight, and then you mark the spots on the wall in the center of these holes. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to drill it with the wall mount on here, of course with a vacuum cleaner, so this doesn't get dirty. And I think I may put some bag or something around this. I don't want it to get dirty because it's a mechanism which should stay clean. Also, maybe I will remove it, and maybe that's even better. Remove it again and then drill. That's easier to drill anyway. After that, you fix this plate which comes off on the back of your TV. You just put the TV right up here. You make sure this is straight. You can turn this just a bit also, and then you secure it with this bolt here. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new TV. Bye bye.